Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Today in this video we are going to discuss chapter number 19, mean and median for ungrouped data only. So we will discuss only ungrouped data. Ungrouped data means the data which is present in the raw form, that is known as ungrouped data. So how to find the mean of the ungrouped data? Very simple. That is sum of observations divided by number of observations. Just see the formula. Mean is sum of observation upon number of observations. Here mean is denoted by x bar, sum of observation it is denoted by summation x, number of observation it is denoted by small n. Now we have the properties of mean. First is summation x minus x bar, that is equal to 0. What is this property? It is the sum of the deviations of x bar from the observation x1, x2 till xn. Their sum is always 0. Now the second property is if each observation is increased or decreased or multiplied or divided by a constant value, then the new mean is also increased, decreased, multiplied or divided by the same quantity. For example, you have calculated mean 32 and in the question they ask you increased each observation by 2. So what is your new mean? Your new mean will be original mean plus 2, that is 25 plus 2, that is 27. So in this way we can calculate the new mean if the quantities they are increased, decreased, multiply or divide. So let us start the exercise. First exercise. First question is find the mean of the following number. Very simple. Here the numbers are given. We will calculate the mean by using the formula sum of observation divided by number of observation. We will add the numbers and divide by how many they are. So our answer is x bar. Mean we can denote by x bar. X bar will be 255 upon 5. We can cancel by 5. We are getting 51. Second question is what is the mean of first 6 natural number? We know the natural number always starts from 1. So 1 to 6. Now the mean, again the same formula. That is sum of observations divided by number of observation. We will add divide by 6. So your answer is 3.5. Third is find the mean of first 10 odd natural numbers. Very simple. Odd numbers we know first 10 odd numbers are 1 starting from 1 till 19. Then x bar, that is sum of observation divided by number of observations, we will add divide by 10. So our answer is 10. Now in the fourth question, find the mean of all the factors of 10. We know that 1 into 10 is also 10, 2 5s is also 10. So these are the factors of 10. So again the same formula, x bar summation x divided by n, we will add divide by 4. So your x bar will be 4.5. Now in the fifth question, find the mean of the following numbers. These are the numbers. Numbers are given in the terms of x. Again you are supposed to find mean. That is sum divided by number of observations. We will add them and divide by 5. And here all the x when we will add, it is 5x plus 35 upon 5. 5 you can take common. It is x plus 7 divided by 5. 5 will cancel with 5. We are left with x plus 7. So this is the required mean. Now in the sixth question, if the different values of the variable are given, find the mean. So here they are given you the values. So these are all the values, different values. First of all we will find mean. Mean is x bar. Just add them, divide by 10. After solving it we are getting 58.0 divided by 10. 58 by 10. So answer is 5.8. In the second part, they ask you find the value of summation x minus x bar. It means you have to subtract 5.8 from each value. From 9.8, then 5.4. You can see here. Here we have subtracted from each value 5.8. Here also, everywhere. And then we can solve them. Just subtract. It is 4. Similarly, we can do the calculation for all. And in the end, we will get our answer 0. Okay, so summation x minus x bar, that is 0. We have already discussed the property number 1 and their sum is always 0. Now the question number 7 is discussed on the second property which we have already discussed in the introduction. So question number 7 is the mean of the 15 observation is 32. It means x bar is 32, n is 15. So mean is 32. First part is it is increased. Each observation is increased by 3. Very simple. What is new mean? You will add 3 in the mean. So 32 plus 3, 35. Second is decreased by 7. From original mean you will subtract 7. So it is 25. Multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2 means this mean multiply by 2. So 32 into 2, 64. Then divided by 0.5. So again you will divide the mean by 0.5. We are getting 64. Now in the fifth part it is given the increased by 60%. 60% is increased. So what is the new mean? New mean will be mean plus 60% of mean. So mean is 32. We will take 60% of 32. So 32, and after solving it we are getting 51.2. And if it is decreased by 20%, so simply in increase we are using plus sign. So in decrease we will use minus sign. So it is 32 minus 20% of 32, and after subtraction we are getting 25.6. Eighth question is the mean of 5 numbers is 18. If one number is excluded, the mean of the remaining numbers is 16. What is the excluded number? Mean of the 5 numbers is 18. So x1 bar 18. So n1, that is the number of observation, it is 5. So we can apply the formula x1 bar summation x1 upon n1. So 18, we can put the values. We are getting summation x1 is 90. Now one number is excluded. So we have to subtract 1 from the total. So the remaining numbers are 4. Here also we can apply again the formula of mean, and we will find summation x2. Now what is the excluded number? Your excluded number is summation x2 minus summation x1. So it is 90 minus 64. Your answer is 26. See in the ninth question, the mean of the observations is given 11. We will add the numbers and divide by how many they are. They are 5 and equate equal to 11. And from there we can calculate the value of x. Now in the second part, they have asked you find the mean of the first 3 observations. So what are the first 3 observations? We will put the value of x here, here and here. So we got the number 7, 9 and 11. We will find their mean. Just add the number, divide by how many they are. So 27 by 3, your answer is 9. So therefore mean is 9. This is very important question. See the question number 10 now. In the 10th question, it is the mean of the 100 observation is 40. It is found that an observation 53 is misread as 83. So here number of observation is 100 and mean is 40. So we can find x bar. It is summation x upon n. We can find the value of summation x from it. It is 4000. Now it is given the observation 53 is read as 83. It means what is the incorrect value? 83. What is the correct value? 53. Now they are asking you to calculate the correct mean. Correct mean means first of all we will find the correct value of summation x. So what is the formula? Summation x plus correct value minus incorrect value. So we will add 53 and we will subtract 83. So we are getting, after solving it, 3970. Now they are asking you what is the correct mean. So what is the formula of correct mean? That is correct value of summation x divided by n. So it is 3970 divided by 100. It is 39.7. 11th question is similar, that you can try. See the 12th one. Find the mean of 75 numbers. N is 75. And the mean of 45 of them is 18. So here we have the two cases. In the first case, mean is given 18 when the 45 numbers are there. So we can apply the formula x1 bar summation x1 upon n1. Put the values, we are getting summation x1 810. So 45 values, 45 observation we have used in the first part. So how many observations are left? 75 minus 45. So remaining numbers are 30. In that case the mean is given 13. So again we will apply the formula of mean, put the values, we are getting summation x2. Now in the question they ask you what is the mean of 75 numbers. So it means we will find summation x. What is summation x? Summation x1 plus summation x2. We will add it. So it is 1200. So n is given 75. So what is mean? Summation x upon n, we will divide them, and in the end we are getting mean equal to 16. Come to question number 14. The mean marks out of 100 of the boys and girls in an examination is 70 and 73. It means the total students are 100, n is 100, and the mean is given 71, total mean. So here the mean marks of the boys, we will take x1 bar, it is 70. Mean marks of the girls, x2 bar, it is 73. Boys and girls, you are supposed to find the ratio between them, you are supposed to find. So let the number of boys will be n1 and the number of girls will be n2. Here we can use the formula of combined mean, n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar over n1 plus n2. So put the values, this is a formula, this you will learn, and you can put all the values of x bar, then x1 bar, then x2 bar, and afterward we will calculate the value of n1 ratio n2. So n1 ratio n2 we means the ratio between boys and girls, which you are supposed to solve in the question. 15th is easy. Come to 16. In a series of tests, A appeared for 8 tests. So number of tests are 8, and each test was marked out of 30, and average is 25, means mean is given 25. So we will see what is the total marks. So it is x bar summation x upon n, 25 equal to summation x upon 8. So what is summation x? It is 200. Now, however, while checking the file, afterward he checked his file and he found that he got only 7 tests out of 8. It means the test of the 7 numbers, they are given correspondingly, and he didn't know what is the marks of the 8th test. So we will add all these marks, and the 8th test marks you will take as x, and that is equal to total marks is 200. So from here we can calculate the value of x, that is the 8th test marks which you are supposed to calculate in this question. So we have completed the topic mean. So in the next video we will discuss the topic median. Thank you very much.